Hey everybody, I'm James with Authorized Shopsmith Repair. We are a fully factory authorized repair center operating right here in North Carolina. We have fully refurbished headstocks for sale. All of our machines come with a 2-year warranty. All parts have been inspected and either returned to almost new condition or have been replaced with new parts. We also tune and calibrate each headstock to provide years of accurate and reliable service. Paint jobs are original, but if you'd like your refurbished machine to be repainted, we offer that service for an additional charge. To inquire about our stock of refurbished conventional headstocks, please visit shopsmithrepair.com or call the number below. This is James with Authorized Shopsmith Repair, and we'll see you next time.